everybody, welcome back to another video. Tonight we're going to be trying something different. I'm going to be air frying these little mini gem potatoes. So I'm just going to start off by cutting them in half and throwing them into a big bowl. Okay, so I'm going to add olive oil. Drizzle olive oil over top of the potatoes, salt, pepper, throw some garlic powder in there, and I'm gonna do some parsley flakes for that nice color and flavor. I'm gonna get it right down and dirty, and we're just going to go in with our hands and toss our potatoes until they are completely covered in seasoning. Like so. And now we're going to throw them in our air fryer at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Turning halfway, shaking, whatever, flipping, whatever. Flip halfway. They are frying away. I'm so excited. Also got some other stuff in the oven over there, but that's not part of this video. Focusing on some air fried potatoes, delicious. So we have reached our halfway point. So I'm going to flip them now. Let's just turn it off. And I thought maybe we would do that together so that we can see how they're looking. Oh, look at that. Those look good. Oh, you can hear the crispiness. That is so good. I'm super excited. So we've got about 9 minutes worth of cooking time to go. Oh gosh. My lovely air fryer just beeped at me to turn the food, so I did it once again. Just wanted to make sure you have all the updates as I'm doing them. Looks like we've got 5 more minutes left on the clock. So our potatoes just stopped. Look at how good they look. Listen to the sound. You can hear that crunch. Okay, I'm gonna put these in a bowl and we will see how they look presented. Okay, and here we have it, everybody. These are our nicely air fried mini gems potatoes. Just look at that golden brown, that crisp. This is going to be so delicious. So all my food is ready to eat. Tonight I'm going to be pairing my air fried mini gems with some lemon pepper cod and some roasted orange peppers and zucchinis, but you can pair them with whatever you want. Just look at them. Okay guys, this is gonna be it for the video. My mouth is watering. I'm gonna go chow down. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.